Hello students, next we start with HTML features. So for the HTML features, let us first see that what is the first feature of HTML. The first feature is that it is used to build web pages. What do we mean by web pages? We all know what is a web page. You have websites. Website is a collection of web pages. And once a web page is built, it can be published on the internet. What do you mean by the word published on the internet? It means that transferring the web page to a server so that people all over the world will be able to read it. Okay, so web page is published. Published means I transfer my web page to a server so that it is read all over the world. Now once it is published, once a web page has been published, then how can it be accessed? आपने वेबसाइट बना ली है, वेबसाइट में वेब पेजेस हैं. How are you going to access that web page? That will be accessed with the help of an internet tool which is called as a browser. Okay, this is called as a browser. Now browser is either an internet explorer we will use, or we'll use Netscape Navigator. IE stands for Internet Explorer and NN stands for Netscape Navigator. In your portion, according to your curriculum, we have to use Internet Explorer. Okay. Now children, this features may, this is the first and very important feature, that what is HTML used for? Basically it is used for to create a website or web page. And how do you access the web page? A web page can be accessed with the help of a browser. Okay. Second important feature of HTML is that it is a universal formatting language. It is a universal formatting language. What do you mean by universal formatting language? This means it can be used on any platform, any operating system, with any type of a text editor. Universal means any. Okay, this means that anywhere we can use this HTML. And formatting means, formatting, if you remember in the last lecture I told you that HTML is usually used for documents. What is it used for? It is used only in the document formatting. That is why we call this language as a non-programming language. It is a language, but it is not used for programming. It is used only for the formatting purposes. That is why it is called as a universal formatting language. Clear हुआ ये? ठीक है? So these are the important features that we have to know about HTML. The third feature that we should know is that it is a case insensitive language. Children, we all know what do we mean by this word case insensitive language. It means that if I write on A or I write on A, it is read as A. It will not differentiate between the two A's. Whereas what we have studied in C++ is that it is a case sensitive language. This will be read as capital A and this will be read as a small a. वहाँ पे sensitivity होती है case की. Here we have no sensitivity of the case. It is a case insensitive language. जब आप command लिख रहे हो अपने HTML का, you write it down in lower case or you write it down in upper case. That will not make any difference to the editor. ठीक है, आप लिख रहे हो तो वो HTML को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है. आप उसको लोअर में लिखो या आप उसको अपर केस में लिखो. So what are the three main features that we've learned? First is it is used to build web pages. Second, it is a universal formatting language. Third, that we have to see that we are using we do not have to see that what case we are using. It is a case insensitive kind of a language. Now children, when we talk about HTML, we have to write down, it's a language. तो आपको language को लिखना है, कहाँ उसका कोड लिखना है. तो let us see the steps to create HTML document. Okay, steps to create HTML document. What is this? What are the steps to create HTML document? The first step to create HTML document is that we require an editor for that. आपको एक एडिटर की ज़रूरत है और एडिटर HTML के पास अपना कोई एडिटर नहीं होता है. If you remember, when you've done C++, when you did C++, a blue color screen used to come when you open Turbo C, isn't it? एक ब्लू कलर स्क्रीन आता है, उसके ऊपर ही आप C++ का प्रोग्राम लिखते हो. दैट इज द एडिटर ऑफ C++ लैंग्वेज का अपना एडिटर है. HTML के पास ऐसा अपना कोई एडिटर नहीं है. What we do is we take a simplest editor that is provided in the computer and that is Notepad. हमारे कंप्यूटर में जो जगह है जहाँ पे हम लिख सकते हैं वो है Notepad. ठीक है, we do not require any extra editor for that. तो आप सबसे पहले क्या करोगे? The first step is that you will open what? You will open Notepad. You will start writing your code in Notepad. ठीक है. Then the third is, when you write down the code, you have to save the code, the file of Notepad with the extension .html. आप उसको किसके साथ सेव करोगे? .html. क्योंकि बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट नोटपैड का जो होता है दैट इज़ अ .txt फाइल बनती है. द नोटपैड की जो फाइल बनती है वो .txt बनती है. बट व्हाट वी रिक्वायर इज़, वी रिक्वायर HTML डॉक्यूमेंट. ठीक है, क्योंकि हमें उसको ब्राउज़र पे रन करना है. टेक्स्ट फाइल रन नहीं हो सकती है. सो इफ़ यू डू नॉट गिव द एक्सटेंशन एज .html, इट विल बिकम अ टेक्स्ट फाइल और वो रन नहीं होगी, वो ब्राउज़र पे नहीं चलेगी. हमें ब्राउज़र पे फाइल को एग्जीक्यूट करना है. दैट इज़ वाई वी आर क्रिएटिंग अ HTML डॉक्यूमेंट. तो उसको .html से हमने सेव करना है. ठीक है. एंड माई फोर्थ स्टेप वुड बी दैट आई विल चूज माई ब्राउज़र एंड सेट द पाथ जहाँ पे मैंने फाइल सेव किया है और वो फाइल में एग्जीक्यूट करूँगी. हेंस आई विल सी अ वेब पेज. एक वेब पेज देखा जाएगा बिकॉज HTML की फाइल विल बी एग्जीक्यूटेड एज अ वेब पेज. ओके, सो हियर what have we learned? We have learned the features of HTML. What are the features of HTML? The features of HTML are: 1, it is a case sensitive language, it is universal language, it is used to build web pages. We require a browser to view the web pages. And secondly, what are the steps to create an HTML document and how do you view the HTML documents? Thank you, children.